Guru Hatal Gavartahayam. Dear fellows, it's for me the happiest moment to participate in before starting my topic. I would say thanks a lot to Almighty Allah who gave me courage to deliver speech in this grand gathering of some public high school. Honorable Chief Guest, today my topic is about children and our responsibility. One thing is very clear, that why I chose my topic about children. Because children are the precious asset of our nation, and children are the bright future of our nation. In other words, we can say the children are the backbone of our country. But unfortunately, we don't bother about the care and educating them in the right direction. Dear listener, firstly, it is our duty to provide education to all the children on a cheaper basis. This education should be reaching those children who can't get education because their parents don't afford to send them to school. Secondly, if we see this, our children and a young generation is going away from moral values. In such atmosphere, it is our responsibility to make our children more conscious. It is also a basic need to indicate good moral values among our students, so they may be able to differentiate between good and bad. Finally, I am inclined to say that we are neglecting our responsibility both as an individual as a society. We just wanted to have a good outcome without making any efforts. Fellows, only one solution collectively efforts is required to make these children good citizens. Thanks for listening.